And we are congratulating SB19, Pablo Nase, Josh Calen Santos, Johan De Dios, Tel Ehera, and Ken Suson. Thank you so much always for making us proud as Filipinos. As Baz Luhrmann would describe it, this is going to be spectacular. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss Mikumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and
Brosas.
you are watching the second episode of our season 19 for our Sunday edition of the TT Show, Tariana Talakayan Showbiz Edition, and very recently, Francis Libiran was interviewed in an online TV show,
Mm.
stating that for the Fast Zone concert, which is already sold out, there will be 250 outfits
Ay, dami.
na irarampa
Mm.
sa nasabing fashion concert extravaganza. At sabi nga ni Francis, talagang pagod na katawang
Where is
lupa niya.
this
It's going to
happening?
happen at the Aeronautic Coliseum this coming October 26.
Mm.
So, sabi nga ni Francis sa interview, pagod na ang katawang lupa niya. At ang mga mananahi niya, dahil
250? My
250
God.
outfits.
Enormous.
And there are outfits that are so designed for Pablo Nase, so designed for Ken Suson, so designed for Stel Ajero, for Josh Calen Santos, and Justin De Dios.
Mm.
So talagang pinag-aralan, pinag-isipan, at talagang gusto niya atang bulagi ng kanyang mga mananahi.
So sila lang ang magmumodel?
Hindi, merong 150 strong ensemble of models.
Mix yun, babae at
Babae at
lalaki.
lalaki.
Mm-mm.
Pero ang ginawang outfits, 250.
Mm.
Tapos ang special guest, ang nag-iisang Reyna ng Pop,
Mm.
si Sarah Geronimo. She's going to perform. I'm not sure if she's going to walk the runway, but for sure she's going to perform. And people are so excited about the fact that in-announce na Sarah is going to be part of the show nung nag-sold out na ito. Kumbaga, ang dating, hindi ginamit ng marketing ploy
Mm.
si Sarah para hilahin ang mga tao na mag-sold out ang
So
show.
sino ginamit?
Diba? Walang ginamit, wala, talagang the virtue of the popularity of SB19 ang nakapag-sold out.
Mm.
Wala kailang ina-announce na guest.
Mm.
Lagi naman silang ganun eh. In all their concerts, wala kailang ina-announce na guest. Tapos bigla makabibigla ka na lang, ay, sold out na ang show.
Mm.
I think might be able to watch it, kaya lang ang nakuha namin tickets upper box.
So which means hindi masyadong malapit. Hindi masyadong malapit?
Oo, ang taas nun.
Ah.
Upper box. Kaya lang, ang iniisip lang namin kasi, may LED naman, di ba?
Oo.
Makikita mo naman yun doon.
Yeah.
So,
Taray.
mapanood lang.
Parang, di ba, you were there in
Simula at wakas, but because I was there,
the
because
arena.
we were like, I'm covering it for Tribune.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Ito ngayon, hindi ba? Buy na ng upper box.
Ay, bye talaga?
Oo,
Ay,
mapanood lang ang SB19.
wow! Diyos ko.
Kasi yung, when we were securing tickets, upper box na lang ang available, te.
Dapat nagdabog ka.
Di ba? Wala na akong magagawa. Online.
Hindi.
Ang hirap pagdabog ng online.
Sabihin mo! Si Aaron Ignacio ako! Di ba? Talagang
So,
ano?
At isa pang nire-request ng Team Bahay, ng Team Abroad, sana raw, they're willing to pay, paid live streaming, yung nasabing event. They've been telling it all over social media, especially in X.
Talaga? They were clamoring for
They're
a live
clamoring
streaming?
for a live streaming na handa ka lang magbayad, mapanood lang ang
Wow.
sold-out concert.
Wow, iba talagang ano eh.
Ano masasabi mo sa development na to, Mare?
Well, it's a welcome development kasi ang SB19, they have proven themselves as a group, di ba?
Time and
As a
again.
singer,
Oo.
as a performer.
Mhm.
Pero this time, rarampa sila.
Yes.
That is something that has not been achieved by any pop group. Di ba?
Oo.
Lalo na P-pop.
Oo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Parang,
Lalo sa P-pop.
oo, sa P-pop.
Parang first Filipino sila.
Oo, P-pop entertainment and artist, di ba? Pangalawa, ang galing ng spacing ng kanilang events. Ang galing nung yung for this year, parang naka-map out
Oo,
lahat ng kanilang
And they're
activities.
coming from a very successful show, a sold-out show in Dubai.
Mm-mm.
And then after Dubai, they went to Rome. Ngayon
Mm-mm.
pauwi na sila rito. Because I think because of because of the concert.
Oo. Tsaka ang maganda sa kanila, they are glued to the ground.
Yes.
Hindi nila isinaulo, isinapuso, at isinagawa ang kanilang pagiging sikat.
Mm.
'Di ba? No, in the span of their career as
7 years.
7 years performers, 'di ba? I have not read anything negative about them.
Mhm.
Hindi sila they didn't get embroiled in a
Ah,
scandal, 'di
They
ba?
didn't get
Wala
embroiled in the swell-headed
Oo,
issues.
wala silang prima donna
Oo.
ways,
And
wala silang superstar
if
complex,
I
'di ba?
remember it right, he used to be a part of a management company
Mm.
na ang daming napasikat at lahat ng mga napasikat na yun, sabi mo nga, lahat lumaki ang ulo.
Mm.
Di ba?
'Di ba?
For ano ka ha? Kwento mo sa akin, first hand experience mo, naramdaman ng pagbabago nila, di ba?
Oo. Tsaka lately, they are also socially relevant. 'Di ba
Mhm.
nagkiyaw-kiyawal in Japan walking?
Oo,
So
walking.
ibig sabihin, they have a mind of their own
Mhm.
and they are able to articulate what they want to articulate
Yes.
without fear.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Wala talagang takot, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kaya si Hodang mabas sila, 'di ba? That's all they
Mm.
they do. Gusto nilang maisa-public din yung kanilang sentiments
Mm-mm.
with what is happening now.
Yes.
So that is yung social relevance nila very maigting,
Very high.
oo, yung angst, 'di ba?
Oo.
Which they display in their performances, nakita din sa kanilang personal side,
Mm.
'di ba? Kasi yung iba kasi 'di ba parang ay ano lang 'yan, 'di ba?
Oo.
Ang dami mga na mga sikat pero
Oo.
they don't care.
They don't talk about
Oo.
what must be said.
Parang they are always on the safe side.
Oo.
Papangalanan ba natin? Charot!
Ang dami nila.
Oo nga, yung
Baka
dami
maubos
nun.
ang show.
Ay, aray ko, 'di
Maubos
ba?
ang oras natin.
Oo, they fear retribution. Baka
Mm-mm.
baka mabengbang sila, sila.
Yes. Ako basta
Nabimbang.
ang wish ko lang, one of these days, Sir Francis Libiran, damitan mo po naman si Kumaring
Ay!
Asa Maldita.
Wag na, my
At ang The Diva
God!
That You Love, para sa
Naku
Kitty
po.
Show, di ba?
My God!
Hindi naman po kami masyadong mahangad sa bagay na yan.
Aray ko!
A dream, sabi nga, a dream is a wish your heart makes. Ano ba namang isang araw, magkita po tayo, mag-coffee, tapos sukatan mo kaming dalawa ni Alex Brosas
Aray ko, my God!
sa isang episode namin, maybe sa 20th, sa season 20 namin, pag nag-pictorial kami, Sir Francis, outfits
Ay!
by Francis Libiran.
Aray ko.
Gusto mo yan, Mars? Yung visual thinking na ganyan?
Okay lang.
Ay,
Pero kasi, my God!
di ba pag kasi ako minamanifest ko, season 20, 20K plus subscribers, season 20, 20K, tapos outfits by Francis Libiran for the special art card pictorial.
Ay, Diyos ko, parang nagbabadya ka.
Ay!
Charot!
Nararamdaman ko talaga,
Oh my
ibibigay sa atin
God!
ng universe.
Diyos ko! Nakakaloka.
Kauna-unahang online talk show host na dinamitan ng the one, the only, the great Francis Libiran to celebrate the 20th season and the 20K subscribers of the TT Show. Tarayana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.
Aray ko? Isn't that ambitious?
Ay, it's not ambitious.
Oo.
Diba, sinabi, diba, pag may hinihiling ka, sabihin mo ng diretso,
Oo.
sabihin mo ng totoo.
Tsaka mag-manifest ka
Oo,
talaga.
At hindi lang po siya mula sa aking puso. Mula rin po siya sa kaibutura ng aking tsanena.
Aray ko, my God! Ikaw ba, you never... Pero ikaw, between us, ikaw nakakapagdamit ng
Fashion. Just
ano.
made by fashion
Oo.
designers. But I
Ako
don't
wala
have,
naman akong ganun
but I
kasi.
don't have kasi connections with Mr. Libiran. So I wish. Diba?
At
So,
least ikaw na-experience mo na ako.
nakapag-haute couture.
Oo, hindi.
Bakit nga ba ayaw mo? Ang ganda-ganda naman ng katawan mo.
Diyos ko, ang tsanena nga,
Hindi.
di ba?
Pag mahusing designer, di ba nakita mo yung mga outfit kang gawa ng designer, natago ang tsanda, di ba?
Kasi ako ang petit, maliit ako.
Mas maganda ka nga dalimitan,
Oo,
babae-babaihan ka.
Hindi ako
Di ba? Tandaan mo, sino ang icon na kamukha mo?
Ay!
Pilar.
Sila
Pilar,
may sabi,
Pilar.
hindi
Sila nga
ako
may sabi,
di ba? Hindi
Diba?
ako.
Miss Pilar Pilapil, so classy, so elegant. Hindi
I
ba?
cannot be like her. She's the one and only Pilar Pilapil.
But you're the
I
one and only Ultra Maldita.
Ah.
Leveling.
Ay! Oh my God! How
But
I wish.
again, we are congratulating SB19, Pablo Nace, Josh Calen Santos, Johan De Dios, Stel Ejera, and Ken Suson. Thank you so much always for making us proud as Filipinos because you have been doing so well internationally as of the moment, and I'm sure for more years to come. And of course, we are really, really excited to watch the spectacular show that is Fast Zone. It's happening on October 26th at the Araneta Coliseum. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is the ultra glamorous, ultra maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Siyempre pa, ito po ang The Kitty Show. Tara yan na talakayan Showbiz Edition.